sekta ya agendi matire makorwo magicokereria mawira mao na uria kwagiriire. Ukiri uguo ru ni mamukirite igutha ringi kuona ati ngarama iria ya iguru mambitie kurihio ya tutaru twao ru ni icokete na njira nene kumahutia makiuga ati ona thengia ya agendi gukorwo makihana riu ta mekuhingurirwo na guka guku bururini no marathi na mbere na guteta kumana na ngarama eno. Riu Letana lione kule thirikari ya county ro hamwe na thirikari nene na makiria ministry ya yagiru ni ukorwo ikihutia undu uyu ikorwo ikimateithĩrĩria kuona ati ngarama ĩyo ni guthii na mbere na kumahatĩrĩria gukorwo makiona uboco wao wa muthenya.
Thank you very much. The fourth estate. This is Kennedy Nyamwanda, the Deputy National Treasurer, KNUT. With me, I am flanked by the Executive Secretary, brothers Daniel Nginga of Kangundo, Nati Branch, and several other officials, including the NEC member, Brother Ngui. We have come here to grace this occasion, the AGM Kangundo Nati Branch, and there are a number of issues affecting teachers, where of course we have talked about this retirement. Retirement is an issue in the teachers because one, we want the Pension Act to be reviewed. The Pension Act to be reviewed such that the teachers do not be paid by Treasury. Let Teacher Service Commission prepare and organize and pay the teachers once they have retired. Because teachers spend so much time in the streets, roaming looking for their pension after retirement. So we are appealing that the Pension Act to be reviewed such that once they have retired, they are paid directly by Teacher Service Commission, who is our employer. In the same wavelength, I want to say that there is this bill being brought to Parliament about the retirement age. The retirement age, we are appealing to the Member of Parliament who is bringing that bill to drop it, because teachers at 60 are very young. Public servants at 60 are very young. When you tell us to retire at 55, and this is the time we are investing, because between 50 and 58, that is the time the teachers are investing. So we are appealing to our beloved Member of Parliament who is bringing that bill to drop it for the good of our public servants and the teachers in this country.
Mwiroreri wa kuona